Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Rocket Money app for budgeting and investment planning step by step clearly.
Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store icon on your device. For iPhone users, open the App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store.
Once the App Store is open, find the search bar at the top of the screen.
Type Rocket Money into the search bar. Press the search button on your keyboard or the search icon on the screen. Look for the Rocket Money app in the search results. Ensure it is the correct app by checking the logo and developer name. Tap on the app icon to open the app's details page. If you're using an iPhone, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Upon opening the app, you will see the welcome screen. Tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. After entering your details, tap on Continue. You may receive a verification email. Go to your email inbox and confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the app and log in using your new credentials.
After logging in, you'll be greeted with the app's main dashboard.
To start budgeting, tap on the Get Started button. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank accounts. Select the accounts you wish to connect and provide necessary permissions. After linking accounts, the app will analyze your financial data.
Next, set up your budget categories according to your financial goals.
Input your monthly income and planned expenses in each category. Review the budget overview and make adjustments if necessary.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.